Women are often seen as being mysterious, but the truth is, men don't pay attention to the subtle signs women send them. Women prefer for guys to make the first move in every relationship. Expressing your feelings to the person you are interested in is hard, and for shy women it can be even more difficult. So it is your responsibility to discover her hidden feelings, and reveal her little secret. It is really important to subconsciously understand her body language when she is around you, to know if your shy girl likes you or not. Missing out on these minor details, and being ignorant of her feelings for you, might make you miss out on your most valuable relationship. So with that said, here are 10 subtle body language signs that a shy girl likes you. Number 1. She fidgets with her hands, or plays with her hair when she's around you. One of the most common things a shy girl will do when she likes you, is fidgeting with her hands or playing with her hair. This is because she's feeling nervous and self-conscious around you, and is trying to occupy herself, so she doesn't seem awkward. It's also a way of subtly flirting with you. She's playing with her hair to get your attention, and let you know she's interested. Number 2. She tries to avoid being around you as much as possible. There's something special about a shy girl. She's not like other women who are always looking for attention. When a woman who's shy likes you, she's more likely to try to avoid being around you. And that's because she doesn't want to make it obvious that she likes you, but even though she's trying to hide it, there are still ways to tell if a shy woman likes you. For starters, she probably won't make eye contact with you for very long, and when you do talk, she may stammer or blush. But the most telling sign is that she'll go out of her way to avoid being near you. If you're interested in a woman who's shy, then you need to be patient. She won't make the first move, so it's up to you to take the initiative. And when you finally do make your moves, be gentle and understanding. She's not going to be as confident or outspoken like other women. But that doesn't mean she doesn't deserve your love and affection. Number 3. She'll start to follow you on social media. If a woman who's shy likes you, she'll want to stay connected to you as much as possible, but in a subtle way. Of course, this is because she's too shy to approach you personally. So one way of doing this is by following you on social media. If you notice that the girl you're interested in has started following you on Instagram, Twitter or any other platform, it's a clear sign that she's into you. So make sure you return the favor, and follow her back. Number 4. She will be more interested in your life. Another sign that a woman who's shy likes you, is that she'll become more interested in your life. She'll want to know what you're up to, where you're going, and what you're doing. When someone is attracted to someone else, they tend to be interested in their life, and what's going on with them. So if you notice that your shy girl is suddenly asking about your day-to-day activities, it's definitely a good sign. Number 5. She looks for any reason to touch you. If a woman who's shy likes you, she'll find an excuse to touch you. Whether it's tapping your arm when she's talking to you, brushing her hand against yours or even leaning in for a hug, she'll do whatever she has to do, in order to get close to you. Touching someone is a way of showing interest and affection, and when a woman does it subconsciously, it means that she's really into you. So if you're wondering whether a woman who's shy likes you, keep an eye out for any physical contact. It might be her way of telling you that she cares about you. Number 6. She makes subtle but intense eye contact. If you're lucky enough to have a shy woman like you, then you know that intense eye contact is one of the ways she shows her affection. When a shy girl looks at you, it feels like she's seeing into your soul. It's an incredibly intimate thing, and it's one of the things that makes a shy girl so special. When a woman who's shy likes you, she might not be the most outgoing person in the room, but that doesn't mean she doesn't have a ton of love to give. She's just more selective about who she gives her attention to. So if you're the lucky recipient of her intense gaze, consider yourself lucky. It means she trusts you enough to let down her walls, and show her true self. Number 7. She might not talk as much as other girls, but her silence speaks volumes. If you're wondering whether a woman likes you, pay attention to how she behaves around you. Does she get quiet and shy, or does she become very chatty and talk your ear off? It turns out the girl who doesn't say much may actually be the one who likes you the most. According to experts, when a woman likes you, she might not talk as much as other girls, because she's worried about saying the wrong thing. But even though she's not saying much, her silence speaks volumes. She's usually more interested in what you have to say, and is always paying attention to your conversation. So if you're looking for signs that a girl likes you, don't discount the silent treatment. It might just mean that she likes you more than you think. Number 8. When you're around her friends, she'll try harder than usual to impress them. When a girl likes you, it's hard to miss. She'll go out of her way to talk to you, laugh at your jokes and touch you whenever she can. But when you're around her friends, she'll really turn on the charm. She knows that if she can win you over with her friends, she's got you wrapped around her finger. So if you find yourself being treated extra special when you're around her friends, it's a sure sign that she's into you. Number 9. She might easily blush, or turn away when you talk to her. If you're looking for a sign that a shy girl likes you, one of the most common things you'll see is that she blushes or turns away when talking to you. This may seem like a small thing, but it's actually a pretty big deal. A lot of people think that shyness is just about being introverted, or not wanting to talk to people, but it's actually much more than that. Being shy means that someone is worried about how they're perceived by others, and they tend to avoid social situations, where they might feel awkward or out of place. So if you see a shy girl turning red or looking away when you talk to her, it's definitely a sign that she's interested in you. Number 10. When she is near you, she seems really happy and excited. Is she always happy when she's around you? Does she smile a lot, and seem to have a good time? If so, it's likely that she likes you. When a woman likes you, she wants to be near you as much as possible. She'll be constantly looking for chances to talk to you, laugh with, and just be around you. When you're around, she can't stop smiling. She loves being near you, and it's obvious that being with you makes her really happy. You make her feel special and loved, and she's grateful for every moment spent with you. And the best part is, when a woman likes you, she's usually pretty easy to read. Number 11. She becomes more animated around you. Another sign that a shy woman likes you is that she'll become more animated around you. She'll start talking more, laughing louder, and even making more facial expressions. When someone is attracted to someone else, they'll often try to mimic their behavior. So if you see that your shy girl is starting to act more like herself around you, it's a good indication that she likes you. Number 12. She averts her gaze when she sees you, or looks down when you talk to her. If you've ever been interested in a woman who's shy, you know that their behavior can be confusing. Sometimes they'll seem to avoid you, but other times they might give subtle clues that they're interested. Studies have shown that when a woman who's shy likes you, she averts her gaze when she sees you or looks down. This is because shy girls are often uncomfortable making eye contact, and want to avoid drawing attention to themselves. But don't worry, these signs mean that the girl is definitely interested in you. So if you see her looking away or down, go ahead and make your move. She'll be grateful that you took the initiative.